This is JP with InkSoft, and in this video, I want to unveil a brand new feature that we've just added to InkSoft Proposals. So here I am at InkSoft Proposals, and what I'll do is navigate to Preferences, and I'll scroll down, and you'll see a brand new section. And this is the ability to establish reusable pickup methods. So for those occasions where you want to allow for local pickup or you want to allow for local delivery, you can now establish and build in a menu of those different default and commonly used either pickup or delivery methods. So in this case, I can click Add Pickup Method, and of course I can establish the location name. So using our fictitious print shop example here, I can establish Circus Print Shop Curbside Pickup. I can build some value and describe the details or instructions for this method. So maybe building a little value and saying our friendly team will be fully masked and gloved to protect our customers. We're happy to load your goods to assist. Of course, you can put in a schedule, processing time, and you can configure the pickup address so your customers know exactly where they can pick up. And this is handy if you have more than one facility. Maybe you have a retail location, then a separate maybe manufacturing production location. So that's how you'll establish and build your default pickup method. But I also want to call out this is useful for doing things like local delivery. So I have another method here that I've established called local delivery. And again, you can describe, you can build some value in this. You can also turn off the pickup address. So of course, for local delivery, we'll be delivering goods to our customer, so to display an address would be irrelevant. Thusly, I can turn off the address display. So think about what are the most common ways that you're either offering pickup as a service or maybe delivery as a service, and then configuring and making those available so each time you create an InkSoft proposal, they're readily available. Now I'll point out, after you configure these, you can always come back to Edit any of these if you want to make modifications, or you can delete and remove. You can also drag and drop. So when you're building an InkSoft proposal, maybe it's your preference to always have local delivery as the first option. Or maybe in more cases, you have your customers are picking up, and that's the default very first option that will be greeted when building a brand new proposal. All right, so let's toggle into an actual InkSoft proposal, and let me show you where you'll take advantage of this new setting and feature. So of course, on the left-hand side under Shipping Details, you have two options. You can either assign and create a shipping method that would be associated to this order, or you, of course, can leverage the Add Pickup method. And of course, here you're going to find all of those default pickup or delivery methods that you've already created. So you'll see the default, which again is the one that is the first in the order, we'll display here. So we have Circus Print Shop Curbside Pickup, or I can toggle to local delivery. I want to point out another handy feature here. You still have the ability to create a pickup method ad hoc on the fly. So maybe there's a very unique sort of delivery method that will be assigned to this particular order. You need to drop off the goods boxed up by homeroom teacher or whatever it might be. You can certainly go and describe this pickup method, and your customer will see and acknowledge that when they're approving and paying for their order inside of InkSoft Proposals. So you still have the ability to create a custom method for every unique InkSoft proposal. Well, we hope you find this feature handy, and of course this will save you a tremendous amount of time. So if you have any questions about how to take advantage of this new feature or any of the other features in InkSoft, you know what to do. Just reach out to the InkSoft Success Squad.